Dump me a nigga, then stop him. No crossing my defense on bullshit like ramen. No, cuss the full cut like I'm mobbing. He talking that trash, it's off with his noggin. I'm picking my role and running my options. Taking my shot, go green like a goblin. And I'ma get active, cause I don't like watching. Fit my style on the fly while I'm potting. Pussy little nigga DM me on Twitter. Think he still bitter by me blocking his sister. But after I hit her, I just couldn't feel her. Painting her face, ain't talking concealer. It's like when we fuck at your nut, she a squiller. About loud as the truck when I'm leaving the dealer. Can't have enough of them bucks, I'm a biller. Say I'm a bust cause I really a kill ya. Put that on bro, stay with them twos like I'm lows. This AI, I came with a scope, and it's kicking hard. So I'm aiming it low, get a grip of her game like a pro. Start right on your nose, I'ma aim at your hoe. Cause I know it's a go, and I'm sipping slow while she give me a show. She sent you a pic with my dick on her nose. I know I'm a godfucker, deal with the devil. I send shots like 06 mellow. I need a lot, I cannot settle. Turn up the bass and level the treble. Cooking with skillets, pots, kettles. My bangers all bop, they hits, I need medals. Ain't tossing no blick in no dish, I keep several. They flying, they drip, so I shoot up the vessel. Niggas be bitches, these niggas be pussy. Huffing and puffing and do all that woofing. Ain't tough with the op, little niggas be shookin'. They OG is sniffing and smoke when I'm cooking. Vet with a tech, been the best since a rookie. No vest, make the chopper go sing like cookies. Think I'm the best, so I'm mean to be pushy. They ain't gon' hit me until they can't book me. Tryna get rich, got a ball on the budget. Stick at me rockin' them threes, flooded. 90s baby, when I play, I get muddy. Call me a rubber, my flavor is Chucky. These niggas be capping, these bitches be bucky. Calling my phone, tryna suck on it, fuck me. I'm focused in Buffalo and Blues like Kentucky. My best friend's dead, been Franklin my butt. Yeah.